This is Cooking with Medavog, and this is my famous vegetable casserole, and it's basically just like a lot of vegetables, tomatoes, onions, green peppers, two different kinds of potatoes. It has tomatoes, it has yellow squash, green squash, and then I have pre-cooked ham. It has pre-cooked ham, so it's actually ready, and it smells delicious. Also, it also has onion because I love onions, and it looks really good actually. So I am just basically gonna put it back. I took out the foil and I'm gonna put it back in the oven and basically just make the top part a little bit brown, and it should be ready to be eaten. So this is Cooking with Medavog and my famous vegetable casserole. So I'm gonna put it back and leave it there for a couple of minutes and then come back. And until then, have a